draw with me? Now I am drawing a frog. First I am drawing its spoon. Then I am drawing its big ear. It is a princess frog. First layer. Let's make a layer. It is a big layer. Second layer. I am drawing a rainbow frog. Light pink color. I am coloring in blue. Red color. I am coloring a red color in a first layer. I am coloring in a body with dark green color. I am coloring the second layer with orange color. It's time to color a rainbow color in a frog, red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color. I love to wear a frock. Sky blue color. Dark blue color. One indigo color. I am coloring its down with yellow color. I love rainbow frog.
Subscribe us for more videos.